Welcome to Data Governance, Module 2, Section 1. My name is Pat Cupoli. I am the Certificate Mentor at Edmonds Community College, PACE at IT, Data Management Program. In Section 1, you will recognize basic concepts of data governance and describe its importance. We will go over basic definitions, key concepts, core principles, guideline activities, areas of study, and primary takeaways. Let's go over some basic definitions and key concepts. Data governance is the exercise of authority, control, and share decision-making over the management of data assets. Data stewardship is the formal, specifically assigned, and entrusted accountability for business responsibilities, ensuring effective control and use of data and information resources. A data steward is a person designated as accountable for the quality of data, business definitions, data integrity rules, and domain values within an assigned subject area. These are some of the core principles and guideline activities as described in the DAMA-DM-BOK. Understand strategic enterprise data needs, develop and maintain the data strategy, establish data steward roles, data governance and stewardship organizations, develop and approve data policies, standards, and procedures, review and approve data architecture, plan and sponsor data management projects and services, and estimate data asset value and associated costs. Areas of study where you should be able to answer questions at the end of the module include the following. What are strategic enterprise data needs? What is involved in the development and maintenance of the data strategy? What are data professional roles in organizations? How are the data stewards identified and approved and appointed? What is involved in establishing data governance and stewardship organizations? What data policy, standards, and procedures should be developed? Why should the data architecture be reviewed and approved? What type of data management projects and services need to be planned and sponsored? How should the data asset value and associated costs be estimated? Primary takeaways include the following. Data governance is best practice as a partnership between the business and IT, with the business gaining an understanding of the value of data as an asset, and IT taking the role of custodian. Data governance is accomplished most effectively as an ongoing program and a continual improvement process. Data governance guides each of the other data management functions. Data governance is not the same thing as IT governance. IT governance makes decisions about IT investments, the IT application portfolio, and the IT project portfolio. IT governance aligns IT strategies and investments with enterprise goals and strategies. Data governance is focused exclusively on the management of data assets. Data stewardship is the formal accountability for business responsibilities, ensuring effective control and use of data assets. Data stewardship responsibilities exist in all data management functions beyond data governance.